So let's take a look at our Rundle floor plan that we just finished for a client. So like most of our builds, we do have a shower that comes out the back here. So this is a good outdoor shower. Usually clients will put curtains across their doors to use it. We do have a light in the back. Right here is where the water tank for your fresh water is stored under there, but you also have access to blow it out for winter time. Your freshwater fill is right here. This opens up so you can fill that tank there. All throughout we've got L-track here, so this is great for securing totes or duffel bags, whatever you're going to store in the back. We do have an access door, so you can still access everything from the inside, so it's not exclusive to only opening the doors and accessing. On this side, we do have our electrical system, so that's both batteries and all of the connections and fuses. We've got little compartments on both sides. We've got 120, 12 volt and USB that are accessible from the back as well. So now as we come around to the side here, you've probably all seen this on most of our builds. We do have a drop down table. It's great for cooking outside. It's great for putting drinks on. You can have the lawn chairs out and just kind of hang out right here. So that's always helpful. We do have a nice dinette system right here. With the swivel seats up front, you have room for 3 people to hang out here. This seat, not only does it have seat belts, but it also converts into a bed that we've shown in some of our other videos. So you can look back in some of our other YouTube stuff and see how that bed works. We do have the broad arrow window here. So it includes both blinds and screens, and it's got an awning style window that opens up. So in the event that you're getting horizontal rain, you can close this and you can still have airflow and keep things cool. We do have 120 outlet and USB right here. As we move up to the top, we've got upper cabinet here, and we've got your electrical brain right here. So you can manually adjust things. You can also monitor everything that you need to from here. Right here is where we've got our fridge along with our freezer. Below that is where we've got pantry storage. In some of the drawers we're about to show you, you can store additional food, clothing, or even some of your cooking items. Now right here is where we've got an additional step that comes out for getting into the bed. So just like so. We've got reading lights in both locations. Those are on a touch dimmer system. They've got USB underneath, so you can access that way. As you come into here, we have an additional cubby tucked away right here for storage items. Lots of upper storage over the bed on both sides. Right here and here, we've got lighting that's on a dimmer. We've got the max air fan right here that does have the remote, so if you want to stuff or store the remote here, you can. Now as we come to take a look at the rest of the galley here, this here opens up to give you lots of food prep space along with this. Now you'll notice there's no stove here. That was a choice on the client, and most of our clients that we find that opt out of a stove, it's because they like to work outside and do their cooking out there, so that's likely what's going to happen. But what they can do is they can do an induction cooktop right here where they just plug into their 120 here. You do have the heater here along with it tucked away right underneath right there. Now we talked about the freshwater system in the back. We've got our gray water system right here. So when you're using the sink, this is where it all comes to, and then you can easily take this out, unscrew this, and go dump it. So a nice slick system, and these are the Comet jugs. Got access to your plumbing right through there. Additional drawers here. And then the one last thing that's always helpful is having access to the back of your garage right through here. So that gives you guys a nice glimpse into our Rundle floor plan that we built for our clients and with some of the options that they wanted.